you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by another blondie and a blunt cut wig. Yes. So exciting. This is actually a second wig that I have done from the brand Maycaur. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Maycaur hair. So I did this dark green one, or this black green one right here. Really great, so do check that fun one out. But this one is a classic little platinum dream. So before we get into this, I will tell you, which is so exciting, this wig not only came with 2 wig caps, but came with a pair of eyelashes and a detangling brush right here. I mean, how exciting is that? So let's just take a look at this gorgeous girl. Yes, how beautiful. What I do like about this wig is that she does have a very dark blonde, or an ashy blonde. But what's kind of cool about it is that the top really has like integrated colors. And like if I pull this out, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a slightly darker. So it's like very natural looking with how the routage is looking. I'm really in love with that. And then also she is it says 14 to 16 inch bob right here, so I'd probably say that is very accurate, somewhere in between those two. She is heat resistant as well, up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Let's just take a look at the construction of her. So she does have medium colored lace right here, which is really great. And she has a 4-inch parting right here. That is like pretty amazing. She has 2 combs right here on the side. And then also she has a comb in the back with the fasteners. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. Like I mentioned before, she does come with 2 wig caps, but I will actually be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, here she is. I'm gonna scoot up a little bit so you can take a look at her hairline. Of course, gluing her down would be optimal for your best wig life ever, and including lightening up this hairline as well would be key, and including doing a little bit of the parting just to make it look a little bit more natural. But let's just cut off this lace. Give her a light brush. All right, I do feel like she has very light to minimal shedding, which is pretty average of a standard wig. But let's just take a little look at her and her delicious blunt cut that she's got going on right here. Now, of course, she is a center parting, so really she would be at her best down the middle right here. Of course, if you did want to make it off center, let's just see what that would look like if we just kind of do this. And of course, by doing this look right here, which is really fantastic, of course, just trimming this side just to make it look a little bit more evened out. But this is really cute if you did want it like maybe a little bit like a lob right here. So let's just take a look at the other side. If you're a right eyebrow kind of parting girl. Of course, same kind of lob look right here. And then of course just trimming this one out right here. Not bad. Let's put her down the center again. I do feel like her wig cap is actually a little bit bigger than a medium cap, or that she just really stretches. So right now I actually have her over my ears, and sometimes I notice with these lobs, like these very blunt cuts, that for them to lay really straight, because it's super straight, I do put the wig cap over my ears. As you can see right here, this kind of like totally over my ear. But this is really cute. I really love the color of the platinum, including the very dark blonde ashy root that's right here. And of course that 4 to 5 inch parting is super fantastic. Who is gonna fight that? I don't know of anybody. And again, this wig is from Maycaur. Definitely check out the other wig review that I did for them right here of that black green little cute bob. Really love it. And so let me know if you have any wigs from this company, or if you have any of these super sassy blunt cut bobs. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So do reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can be with your wigs and your makeup looks. I absolutely love to see them. So let's all empower each other every single day of our lives to be as amazing as we can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this platinum blunt cut wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you